Hey, it's the classy Cheapskate, and today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable wool cactus monster named Albert. Say hi to Albert! I got this fun needle felting kit on Amazon, and it comes with everything you need to make multiple creations. If you've ever wanted a plant that doesn't die on you, this is it! The kit includes loads of colorful wool, 4 felting needles, a foam pad, 4 clay pots, and an idea book with easy-to-follow instructions. I'm starting by placing brown wool in the pot as filler, and topping it with a wisp of darker brown for contrast. Next, I'm shaping the body with a base of white wool, since the kit includes plenty. Using the included foam pad, I poke the wool repeatedly to firm it up. Then I cover the body with a thin layer of green, topped with a lighter green for a fun textured look. The arms are solid green and easy to attach. Just poke the needle where the arms meet the body. Here I'm adding a simple mouth shape. I'm using dark brown wool to define the mouth and eyes. I made Albert's teeth a little wonky and spaced his eyes wide for a goofy, lovable vibe. Then I added brown wool for his pupils and a cute orange horn, kind of like a unicorn cactus. Once everything's in place, I secure the cactus to the dirt by poking until it's nice and firmly attached. Whether you're a beginner or just love creative DIY projects, this kit is a blast. Each little cactus monster turns out unique, cute, and full of personality. It's artsy, fun, and incredibly satisfying to make, and it even makes a great gift idea. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've linked the product in the description and in the comments below. Huge thanks to Wool Buddy for letting me feature this kit. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll add details like eye veins, prickles, and a flower. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and creative DIY demos.